All right, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you bring content from Google Drive in over to your WeVideo project. So first, this does assume that you've already claimed your paid for seat using the link I gave you in class. You'll also find that link in Google Classroom. And once you've claimed your seat, you'll need to log in with your UW-Platteville credentials. From there, you'll be brought to the WeVideo dashboard that looks similar to this. Then you'll need to click Media. And from here, the first thing I do would be to hover over the plus sign here, not click it, but just hover over it and take folder. And then let's make a folder called Video Project. And click Create. And then double click on that folder. And now let's click Add Media. Now from here, if you have your content saved on, say, an SD card, and that card is inserted into your computer, you would click Browse to Select and go find that media that is saved either to the SD card or your actual computer if, let's say, you already have it downloaded to your machine somehow. But for all the rest of us that might have uploaded content to Google Drive from, say, your mobile device, you'll need to click Import from Social Sites and hover over Drive and then click that. And now what's happening is WeVideo is going to ask you which Google account are you trying to connect to. And of course, I assume that you uploaded it to your UW-Platteville Google account since you have unlimited space there. But indeed, you could have uploaded to a different account, so you'll have to figure that out. I know I uploaded my videos to my UW-Platteville account, so I'll click that. And now WeVideo is going to look inside your Google Drive folders and files. So if I have a file here, I obviously can scroll for it. But now you can tell why making a folder back in Google Drive when you are uploading from your phone is actually advantageous. Otherwise, I have to scroll for a very long time. And if you notice, there is no convenient recent button here. The only advantage or the only tool I have is to look at items last modified. So I can try to sift that way, but it doesn't really go well. Keeping your video files in Google Drive in a particular folder actually creates a pretty seamless workflow. So I did tuck some things in the video sample folder in an earlier video, if you had seen that. So I'm going to double click there. And here are 3 videos that have loaded. So I can go ahead and highlight everything. I just dragged. I also could have held the shift key down, I'm sure. And then I'll click select. So now what's happening is from Google Drive, WeVideo is pulling those files over and going to dump them in the media section of my WeVideo project. I can tell it's working here as you see the import progress in the bottom left-hand corner. Note again that if you're someone with not great Wi-Fi, it just does take time, and it's not a Wi-Fi issue, it's an internet speed actually issue. So you really can't do much until this is finished either. So just stay patient, and when you're ready, then the next thing you'll do is click Project and start a new project. All right, so there you go. That's how you can get your content from Google Drive over into WeVideo. Good luck.